I'm shaking.
Why?
Because I'm nervous and excited.
Oh.
Yes.
Pulling into the airport.
Yay! Not bad.
I wouldn't. Yeah, short-term parking.
I told. I feel like I'm gonna hit that.
Yeah. It does look like it. Dad's probably gonna think the same thing. That much closer.
You should wave to him. Hello. He can see us.
Ladies and gentlemen, American Connection Flight 5016, sir. Chicago Air has just landed.
Hannah, your purse.
Come on, pregnant woman.
Coming back. You get right in here. What was his name? We can write it on. Are you ready? There he is. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Mom, get out of the way. She won't run me over.
Hurry
Oh my gosh, it's not working. Oh my God.
Got blonde hair. Hey, what's up? Yes?
He's got hair, period.
No, looks funny. Sure beats kissing a pillow, don't it?
Welcome home, Steven.
Click, 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 click.
We'll swim in the tears we cry. They'll see us through to the other side. We're gonna make it when love is a raging sea. You can hold on to me. We'll find a way tonight. Love is an ocean wide. I'll stay right here. It's where I'll always belong. Tied with your arms. Days like this, I wish the sun would set. I don't wanna forget what made us feel this way. You see through all my fears, and that's what got us here. If love is an ocean wide, we'll swim in the tears we cry. They'll see us through to the other side. We're gonna make it when love is a raging sea. You can hold on to me. We'll find a way tonight. Love is an ocean wide enough to forget. Even when we think we can't, think we can. Love is an ocean wide. We swim